Yun siya nagigiri also.
Official birthday dinner ni Tatay Vic Soto at kasama niya ang kanyang 5 anak. Vico, Paulina, Tali, Danica at Oyo. Happiest father nga si Tatay Vic na makasama sila sa birthday dinner. Kitang-kita ang kasiyahan ni Bossing dahil lahat ng kanyang anak ay present.
Are you ready to play dead?
Yeah, that time yung phone. And then can I get supremely geared?
Are you ready to play dead?
Yun siya nagigiri also.
Ang saya panoorin ng anak ni Paulina na si Sachi na nakikipaglaro sa kanyang tita Talita. Gustong-gusto nga ni Tali na napapatawa niya si Sachi. Close na close nga ang dalawa. Magandang bonding din ito habang sila'y lumalaki at masayang-masaya si Tatay Vic na makita ito.
I am your mother. You listen to me. Bum bum bum, you just hey.
Ang ganda naman ng entry ni Danica Soto sa kanyang TikTok dance na Listen to Your Mother. Nakisaya nga rin ang kanyang asawa Mark Pingris at 3 anak. Lumalaking cute nga itong si Jean Locke. Kamukhang-kamukha kasi niya si Daddy Mark Pingris. May tuturuan na naman si Daddy Mark ng basketball.
Jesus, I believe that you are present in the most holy sacrament. I love you above all things, and I desire to receive you into my soul, since I cannot at this moment receive you sacramentally. Come at least spiritually into my heart. I embrace you as you were already here and unite myself wholly to you. Never permit me to be separated from you. Amen.
Tali Soto ang nag-pray para sa kanyang family. Nakikinig nga lang si Vic Soto kay Tali sa napaka-calm ng prayers nito. Ito nga ay every Sunday na ginagawa nila. At kabisadong-kabisado ni Tali. Napa-okay na nga lang si Vic sa anak. Lumalaki rin si Tali na nagiging slim dahil more activities nga sa kanyang school. sa kanyang kapatid. I will miss you a lot, couldn't imagine my life without you, a walk away from me. Although this is what we have been praying for, Tin, this is finally it. Bahala na si God. One thing I am sure of, He will make me bloom where He's about to plant me, and you'll be proud of me. An ocean away lang tayo. Pwede lang yan with Salbabida. I love you so much. Thank you for all you and all your love. Flipping the page na tayo. God be with me and Miko in this new journey.